So this is a 12 pointed red star. Okay, I created this using keyboard shortcut in Windows computer. So for doing this, I first go to my computer keyboard. So first I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer, and after that I go to your keyboard, and this is the number lock. Suppose this number lock is off, I turn on the number lock. I can see the Alt key on the left side of the space bar. I press and hold this Alt key. I'm not removing my finger from this Alt key. At the same time, I type here 10041. After typing 10041, I release my finger from this Alt key. And you can see that a 12 pointed black star have been added. I select this and I simply go here in my Word. Here you can change the color from here. So, and from here I choose the red color. So I choose the red color. Now you can see that we have created a red star. So this is a 12 pointed red star. For more videos you can subscribe Engineer Cell Online. Thank you.